Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the string methods. So there are so many methods in string that we need to discuss. So I will start with the basic method that's called string length. So how we will work with string length? It's a very easy one. So we are just using our string. So in my case x is my string and I'm just using the length method. So let's see what I will get here. So I am clearing my output here. I am just running this one, so I got the result of 6. So that's string method. So the next one is string Indexof. So I will take another console here and I will print index of something like random one. What I will get here, just so there is nothing here in test, so it prints -1. So I need to have something like t, what it will print, just make sure. So I'm running the code right now, so it's showing the 3 because it's a case sensitive one. So it's happened in third index, so it's listing there. So if it is nothing there, it will list -1, else it will return the exact index. So that's for Indexof. Last Indexof, some another one is last Indexof. Last Indexof. Okay, last Indexof t. That's the one that I am going to run right now. So run code. Okay, I got some issues here right now. Good. I'm clearing my output, running the code. So since last and first index is same, it will return the same result for me. So that's okay then. So we already discussed about Indexof and last Indexof. So what is next? So another one is search. So search is almost same like index. So let's see what is going to happen in search here. So I am just using search instead of last Indexof. So I'm clearing my console right now, clearing my output, and given me the same result. So if I am just putting a random string here, what is going to happen? That also we need to, yeah, the same way -1. So search and Indexof, what is the difference between search and Indexof? Search will take regular expression, but Indexof will not take regular expression. So if you need to see regular expression, let's see in JavaScript regex object. So the pattern should be like search. Okay, I need to get a pattern right now. Usually we are using like this one. Just show you how it works. So there is nothing here, so it's printing like that. So yeah, so that is the only difference. We can use regular expression inside search, but we cannot use in Indexof. So that is the only difference here. So right now I am just making into the my old string right now. So the other methods are slice. Slice, what it will do, it will slice extract a part of string and return the extracted part in a new string. So if I am just using slice here, slice you need to give the index. So if I am giving a very big index, I mean like 12 3, what is going to happen? So result or something, and I am using my console here to print what is going to happen here. So here I have result. I am clearing my output, running my code again. It makes -1, so there is nothing, right? So if I am giving something like 2 and 3, what is going to happen? So the same way, so it's written -1. Oh, okay. For to change that, okay, we can see the first one, that's S, and here I am going to, what is going to happen? So it's written nothing. So it's an empty right now. So if you just type of, you can see what is that type of this one, string. So we are getting an empty string here. Okay, that's why it works. If there is any if there is a substring, it will return, else it will be an empty string. That's all about some of the methods. So we discussed till slice method. So we have some other methods also. Replace substring, substring with the two type of substring we have. One is one is it's include all the substring, and the other one is sub str. Both are almost same. And let's see in my next video what will be the difference between the two.